Hey, this is Taylor here at Truck World RVA. Today we're going to be taking a look at this 2013 International 4400. It's got an 11-foot Dominator body on it, a 10,000-pound IMT crane, just under 113,000 miles and a little over 4,000 hours. It's an Allison automatic, Maxxforce DT. It's just run through our shop, been fully serviced. If you'd like a list of all the service work, both the labor and the parts receipts, we're happy to provide that, obviously, as well as a list of all the things we've done to it. The full write-up will be on our website and anywhere you see the truck listed. We use all OEM parts when reconditioning. And then the goal of this video is just to show you everything you'd want to see about the truck if you're here looking at it in person. So if you have any questions after watching, please feel free to call or text 804-716-8487. I'm going to go through the first half and just point out any cosmetic imperfections I see. The second half we'll do a cold start and a crane and compressor demonstration. And this is all that we buy and sell. So if you're looking for something similar or slightly different, feel free to give us a shout. It's 804-716-8487. Really nice setup on this with a cast 60R compressor, 10,000-pound crane, IMT bed, and again, pretty low mileage on this unit as well. It is a 33K GVWR truck, so it does require a CDL. It does have air brakes. Again, it is an automatic transmission. Interior is pretty clean. No rips or tears in the seats. Headliner's in good shape. It is roll-up windows. Do have cruise control here on the steering wheel. Engine brake. And again, everything on the truck works as it should. Paint chipped off right there. Little chip right here. Actually, that's just grease. Good tires across the rear on the drive. Not really any rust up underneath of the truck. You will see some oil residue on the engine. We need to clean that off. We did fix some oil leaks on this truck when it came in, so that's just leftover residue, which we just need to power wash. Literally just pulled out of the shop about an hour ago, so we'll get that cleaned up. And again, if you'd like a list of all the stuff we've done to it, just check out our website or shoot us a text. Bed's in excellent condition. Really no big rock chips or scratches or anything worth pointing out. All the bin floors are solid. It's your torch compartment with your bottle racks. All the doors closed, latch, lock, and seal as they should. We have multiple sets of keys for the service body as well. Some shelving on this side. It's a Dominator 2 bed, manufactured 5 of 2012. I would assume this bed has always been on this chassis. Again, super dry up underneath. Another nice shelf in here. Tiny bit of surface rust along the back seam. Really minor. You have some chips along this back corner here. Factory IMT joystick remote. Here's your hour meter. The chassis hours do match up to the dash. Crane and compressor do not appear to have many hours on them at all. It's a 25-foot two-stage hydraulic extension. And again, a 10,000 pound maximum capacity. Might need to adjust that latch a little bit. Sometimes the tabs back here get stuck and they don't want to shut. But we'll address that. Hydraulic outriggers. Crane side extends. The non-crane side does not. Pass through rear compartment. Nice big workbench bumper. Obviously you have some chips in the paint back here. Just where the bumper normally will take a little bit of a beating there. It's got a partial bed enclosure on it. So you have open spot here. This you could take off if you didn't want it. It's mainly bolted in on the inside there, and then this obviously retracts, or it goes down. It has a latch on it as well. Same key code as the rest of the service body, just for some extra tool storage there if you wanted it. Master lock for the compartments, so you can lock all of them at once. You can see the factory paint, still in really good shape. A couple rock chips here along the wheel well edge and on the door. A couple on this door, as you can see. Nice set of drawers here. You are missing this one drawer right here. These Eberhard center grip drawers seem to hold up pretty well. They're real heavy duty. Then another set of drawers here. It's got a lot of nice drawers in this truck. That's about it for the walk around portion. Again, if there's anything additional you want to see, 804-716-8487. I can send over any additional photos or information you like. We'll get into the drive, and then we'll do a crane and compressor demo, and that'll be all. $42.44 on the hours. Truck actually has a super tight turning radius. Did not expect that. was able to make that turn, which I'm usually not able to. Tons of power, shifts smooth, rides nice and straight. Honestly, a really comfortable truck to drive. The bed does have compartment lighting in every compartment. It's got these door mounted lights. I have them all on right now, so every compartment is lit. No lighting on the exterior of the bed. Got one LED strip in the crane compartment. Hard to see in the direct sunlight, but that one's on. You got that one. You got these two as well. So tons of lights inside of the bins, no lights on the exterior of the truck. It's a brand new IMT remote and receiver, new from IMT, obviously. There's no hose reel in here now. We do have one to put in here, so it's just going to blow out that tube. But air compressor. Dual joystick remote. It's an open hook on the crane, so I can boom all the way up, let the winch down, and the block will just fall right off that hook. Like so. Nice smooth operation on the crane. Once you get used to the dual joystick, offers a lot of control there. Again, it's a 25-foot max extension, two-stage hydraulic extension out to that 25 feet. This is full speed without the truck idled up. Honestly, a pretty good speed in terms of control and whatnot. Once I get it boomed out, I'll go idle the truck up and you can see what the max speed would be on the crane, but this is about right in terms of speed. It's not jumpy at all. In terms of being able to put it in place and really have significant amount of control. Got the truck idled up now. See what it does full speed. I don't know if you can tell, it's a lot quicker idled up. You do multiple functions at once, so over and down. Up and over. So that's retract and winch up, which is nice to be able to do both at once. That's just retract. Awesome crane. Awesome, awesome crane. The remote also controls the engine start-stop function. PTO is right back on. Go ahead and boom right up. Pretty nice to be able to cut your truck on and off right there from the remote. Magnetized remote, it'll stay right there. That gas shock's broken, we need to replace it. All right, so thanks again for watching this 2013 International 4400 CDL truck. Dominator bed, 10,000 pound crane, cast 60R compressor, really nice unit, just under 113,000 miles. Again, for a full write-up of all the stuff we've done to it, visit our website or anywhere else the truck's listed. This is all that we buy and sell. If you're looking for something similar, we have all kinds of different units and different configurations, sizes, makes and models. Feel free to call or text 804-716-8487. We do have commercial financing available, and we do ship anywhere in the US. Thanks again for watching. Have a great day.